How can I find my saved reels on Instagram on iPhone? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Head over to your Instagram and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to the three lines on the top right, and here you'll see saved option right there. Tap on it and all of your saved posts will appear here. So even the photos and other videos you have saved will appear here. Now if you just want to check your saved reels, then you can see the reel tab on the top. Just tap on it and only the reels will appear here. So it's as simple as that to check your saved reels on your Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.